Less than tittle greater than SHIBTRY poised for breakout amid rising indicators. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. The current SHIBTRY price of $0.00091116 is showing a subtle upward trajectory relative to short-term moving averages. Specifically, it is above the 200-day moving average, around $0.000963, but nearing a pivotal test. Trading volume, totaling $6.19 billion, remains robust but has recently dipped slightly. This volume pattern suggests investor caution ahead of potential price movements. If SHIBTRY breaks through its resistance at $0.00091134, a further price push may occur, driven by increasing demand. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. The RSI currently stands at 58.94, positioning SHIBTRY close to neutral territory but leaning bullish. Historically, similar RSI values have preceded price spikes, particularly when accompanied by rising volume. The key area to monitor is the 70 level, signaling overbought conditions. Past data shows that SHIBTRY has reacted with a 5% to 7% increase upon crossing this threshold before corrective pullbacks. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator value of 90.26 places SHIBTRY firmly in overbought territory. While this indicates a potential short-term pullback, historical movements show that SHIBTRY often consolidates before making another upward push. A comparable scenario on specific prior date saw a 10% price gain within 2 days after similar stochastic values were observed. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD line at -8.41 times 10 to the -6 is slightly below the signal line, -1.02 times 10 to the -5, indicating mild bearish divergence. However, the narrowing gap suggests a possible bullish crossover. Previous bullish MACD crossovers in SHIBTRY have resulted in price increases of 3% to 8%. Particularly when accompanied by surging volume. Investors should watch for a histogram shift to positive territory. Bollinger Bands analysis. SHIBTRY is currently trading within the Bollinger Bands at $0.00091116, approaching the middle band but below the upper band, $0.00092234. Historically, when prices test the upper band, volatility spikes, often pushing SHIBTRY toward breakout levels. If SHIBTRY sustains above the upper band, the next resistance lies around $0.00099698. Fibonacci retracement analysis. SHIBTRY's current price sits between the 50.0% retracement, $0.00100048, and the 61.8% retracement, $0.00099698. These levels have historically acted as key resistance. If SHIBTRY breaches $0.00099698, momentum could drive the price toward the 38.2% level, $0.00100398. Conversely, a failure to sustain above $0.00091116 could test the 100% retracement, $0.00086564. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, SHIBTRY saw its major high at $0.00111533 and a low at $0.00086564. The daily volume has fluctuated, averaging around 6–8 billion, with spikes during major rallies. The 1-year chart highlights strong resistance around $0.00100832 and a critical support zone at $0.00086564. Current volume trends suggest bullish accumulation. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. The long-term chart reveals significant support at $0.00086564, where SHIBTRY has bounced multiple times. The strongest resistance remains at $0.00111533. Over the past 3 years, periods of high volume, exceeding 10 billion, have often coincided with price peaks. If volume increases again, SHIBTRY could challenge its all-time highs. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than SHIBTRY is currently trading at $0.00091116, showing bullish signals across multiple indicators. The RSI at 58.94 and a stochastic oscillator of 90.26 suggest short-term momentum is building, albeit with a risk of minor pullbacks. The MACD line narrowing its gap with the signal line could indicate a bullish reversal. Additionally, Fibonacci levels highlight $0.00099698 as a key threshold to watch. Long-term analysis reveals strong support around $0.00086564 and resistance at $0.00111533, aligning with Bollinger Band volatility signals. If volume surges past 7-8 billion, SHIBTRY could break through its $0.00099698 resistance, targeting higher Fibonacci levels. However, failure to sustain current levels may test key support zones, requiring careful monitoring of short-term indicators.